You know, if you're sitting there looking out at the clouds, looking at your phone or computer, tablet, looking at the weather app, it's going to be a warm evening and night out there. Temperatures may not drop below 70 tonight. If you look at the time periods here at 6 p.m., we're still in the maybe upper 70s and lower 80s. Some places are already back in the 70s, as you saw earlier, but I think we'll kind of hold in the 70s as the evening progresses and probably won't drop off very much. But a lot of clouds out there tonight, and there may be a couple sprinkles or a light rain shower tonight, but very little rain. But something else you may encounter overnight, if the breeze dies off, there's a little breeze right now, but if it gets a little bit lower, there's enough moisture, you may see some fog in spots, especially the closer you are toward the coast in Cameron and Woolsey counties overnight, especially late tonight and then near about 7 or 8 a.m. tomorrow. So the usual tips, you want to slow down if you're getting up to get to work, increase your following distance so you don't hit the person in front of you, and use those low beams so all the light doesn't reflect back in your face from the fog. If it does occur, it probably won't be foggy everywhere, but it could be a little thick in spots late tonight. So that's tonight. Then tomorrow, things change. We have a cold front coming through, but initially not much cool air. A lot of wind, some warm temperatures, low humidity. There's a red flag warning in all the red areas, which is just about everywhere except the very eastern edge coastal areas of Cameron, Woolsey, and Kennedy counties. But what this means is it's going to be dry. The humidity will be low. The winds will be picking up. So a few tips. You always want to not do any outdoor burning. Seems to me you wouldn't want to do any indoor burning either, but don't be burning any leaves or anything outside tomorrow or garbage. Don't keep any flammable materials near your home or garage or things like that, because if a fire did start, you don't want that stuff combusting near your house. And then also watch for sparks. If you're outside doing any work on something that could create sparks, you don't want that to happen because the ground is also quite dry. So again, that is from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow. Your day planner tomorrow is probably going to be cloudy, maybe some fog in the morning. If there is a shower, it's likely late tonight and through about 8 or 9 in the morning. But after that, the cold front comes through and kind of clears everything out. Winds will get gusty to about 40 miles per hour at times tomorrow. Maybe not the entire day, but most likely around the midday and early afternoon hours. Mostly sunny skies could return late in the day. There may be some patches of clouds left over from time to time, but I think the sun will break through tomorrow and stay windy through at least 5 p.m. But highs still back in the 80s tomorrow. A warm day, but feeling a little less humid as the afternoon comes around with all that dry air coming in. And I think tomorrow night, once the sun goes down, as the dry air and cool air start to filter in, then we finally start to feel the effects of the cold front tomorrow. So during the day tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see your trash can tipped over or other things in your yard, just because the winds will get kind of gusty. So secure some of those items, as the winds could easily gust over 30 to 40 miles per hour in spots during the day, and then fade away later in the evening. Here's the way it looks on Future Track with the winds. Again, late tonight, it has hardly any wind. And again, if the winds get light enough tonight, the fog could form briefly late tonight and tomorrow morning near sunrise. Then you see the winds picking up from west to east by 10 a.m., already getting gusty in Starr County, and then sweeping eastward across the valley during the afternoon with some of those stronger winds. And this is showing the sustained winds, but gusts in here could, again, easily be at times around 30 to 40 miles per hour. Notice by the evening, though, they start to fade away around 6 or 7 p.m. tomorrow. So it's kind of a one-day event with the strong wind gusts, and mostly tomorrow afternoon. Across Texas, a lot of clouds. There are some showers out there. You may have seen some of the tornado reports over in Tennessee. Those are gone, but the whole storm track lately has been taking all the storms that come in across central and northern Texas and then toward Mississippi and Tennessee and Louisiana, and kind of missing our chances of rain here. All the rain's been going to the north, and that's true with this front coming in. Future Track does show the cold front arriving very late tonight and tomorrow morning. You see some clouds overnight, some fog possible, especially along the coast late tonight. Then here comes the front. It's in Starr County by about 5 a.m., moves eastward, and maybe a couple showers in the morning, but once it rolls through, again, that kills off the rain chances. And if there are any showers with the front, we're talking still tiny amounts of rain. So it doesn't look like a big rainmaker at all. So the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 80s tomorrow, getting windy, some sun breaking through. Feeling really good Thursday and Friday. Cool mornings, afternoons in the 70s. Beautiful days there. Even Saturday, not too bad. Should see the breezes pick up on Sunday, but with some clouds. And remember to set your clocks ahead 1 hour late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. You lose an hour of your weekend, but you gain some warm temperatures next week. Highs back in the 80s by Monday and Tuesday. We'll keep tracking it on Channel 5 News at 5.